This month's product update shows that it's the little things that really make a difference, and we're rolling out several improvements to make your life easier. First up is the building logbook search. Admins can now save time and enjoy a better user experience when searching for individuals using the building logbook. This new feature lets you search for people directly from the building logbook, instead of having to drop down a level to individual visitor or employee logbooks. This is a real boon for anyone who operates in multi-tenant environments, where finding individuals isn't always that straightforward. Next, we've got an array of improvements that come together to make everything that bit smoother for kiosk users. You'll be pleased to hear that activation codes are now pre-filled if one was used before, and if you enter your activation code in the settings, your kiosk will automatically load on startup. No need to do that manually. We've also resized the display for iPad Pro users for a better experience, and made several enhancements to improve general stability, so you can be sure that you can always rely on your kiosk to greet and check in people the way you want. You can access these features today, and if you have any questions, use the chat on your Proxyclick dashboard. Thanks for watching.